Let's go over how to take screenshots and capture videos on macOS. There are two shortcuts that you need to know. The first one is Command-Shift-4. You'll notice that whenever I do that, they change as I move the cursor. If I move to the top left, both of the numbers move down till they get to 0 and 0 at the top left corner. If I move the cursor down, the bottom number grows. If I move the cursor right, the top number grows. So that means that the top number is your x-axis and the bottom number is your y-axis. This particular shortcut is going to allow you to take a screenshot. That means you're only going to be able to capture an image. You just click and drag and that will take a screenshot. I'll bring it up in my preview so that you can see what it looks like. It's just a portion of my screen. This next command is much more powerful. Command-Shift-5. You'll notice that this brings up a completely new UI. In the bottom, we have capture entire screen, capture the selected window, capture the selected portion of the screen. This is a section similar to what we did with Command-Shift-4, except it's a little more powerful here. There's also recording the entire screen, as well as recording a portion of the screen. This is the power. You now get to do a video of a portion of your screen. Now, if you would like to show your mouse cursor, as well as the clicks, you can select Show Mouse Clicks in the Options menu, like I've done so here. Let's record my entire screen. We'll do my entire display 1. You'll be able to see how messy my desktop is. And if you would like to stop it, you just come to the top menu bar. There's a little icon that'll be placed there and you click it. And I now have a preview here. If I play it back, you see my screen along with my mouse clicks. Let's experiment some more. I can select a portion and click and drag to select just a portion of the screen that I would like to record. You'll notice that I'm moving this whole box. This is me moving the box so that I can capture only what I would like to capture. I'm actually going to move it to up here and let's record that. And just like before, there will be something added to the top. Just click it and that will end the recording. Now I can preview this recording and you'll see that my CPU bars are going up as I record. You can also do screenshots here. What's really cool is if you have a window open, you can hover your mouse over that window and Command-Shift-5 will select it for you. Let's demonstrate that here. Command-Shift-5. Now I'm going to select Capture Selected Windows or Window. And you'll notice that if I click outside of a window, it's selecting my desktop. However, if I click on or over the window, it's only going to select that window. And when I open a preview, it's just that window. And what's even cooler is it adds a little gradient, like a drop shadow behind the image, so that if you were to place it on a document, you'll see a slight drop shadow, which makes it appear to float above the page. That covers how to take screenshots and capture video in macOS. Peace.